Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of inspect. You should look closely at someone or something, usually to evaluate their condition or find any flaws. For example, they were inspecting my outside paintwork for cracks and flaws. American pronunciation. Inspect. Inspect. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Inspect. Say. Inspect. Inspect means, look at person or thing closely. Inspect. Inspect. Inspect origin. Late Middle English, early 17th century, inspection. From Latin inspect, looked at, examined, or its frequentative inspectare. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. To my amusement, she inspects it closely, with serious expression. Now, repeat after me. To my amusement, she inspects it closely, with serious expression. The second practice. After inspecting the equipment, they discovered that there had been a leak. Now, repeat after me. After inspecting the equipment, they discovered that there had been a leak.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.